Want to know how to download Microsoft Office 365 on your PC, which is either desktop or Mac? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can do it easily in just another minute, so let's get right into it. Now, first things first, simply open up your web browser and simply type in Microsoft 365 download. And now you can just simply scroll down and see Microsoft.com, and here you can just simply select this site right here, and you should be directed to on this website where it says download Microsoft 365. Now you can just simply select download for Windows or download for Mac OS according to your operating system. And now, as you can see right here, your installation should begin on the top right side with Office setup, and you can just simply install and use it properly. And that's it. I hope this video helped. This is how you easily install Microsoft 365 on your PC. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.